copy, no?
Yes. All of you get ready. Good afternoon.
Ma'am,
Good
which
morning,
book?
everybody.
Ma'am, I've
Now,
read Mango.
today we are going to start paragraph writing. Okay.
Ma'am, which book?
Now, you are not to take out any book. Please get ready with your grammar copy now. In your grammar copy, we will be writing down first about
Just wait.
what is the importance of a paragraph writing, of doing a paragraph writing in your class. First of all, we
Ma'am,
have to know what is the importance of writing down a paragraph. Okay,
ma'am.
and what are the rules you must follow while writing down a paragraph. All of you, please mute yourself. Ishan, please mute yourself. Kunal, please mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Afterwards, let me first explain what I want to say in my class. Okay, I'll give you time to question me. Okay. Now, first, the first point which you should remember while writing down a paragraph. What is the topic today? The topic today is paragraph writing. Okay, Shan. Today's topic is
Importance
paragraph
of
writing.
paragraph writing.
Yes. So on the top of your
Ma'am, your
copy,
voice is
please write
cracking.
down paragraph writing. On the
So,
top
ma'am,
of your
when we will
copy,
start
please
like
write
this, and
down
everyone voice is
paragraph
echoing.
writing.
Ma'am, everyone voice is echoing.
Please mute yourself, every one of you. Please mute yourself. Yes. Now, the first point which is to be remembered. The main part of the paragraph, the main thing, what you want to say in a paragraph must be structured in a proper manner. That means what? Sentences should be arranged in a proper manner when you are writing down a paragraph.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
Please note down, sentences must be written in a proper manner. Sentences must be written in a proper manner when you write down a paragraph. Number 2, the second point which is to be remembered.
Ma'am, after written in a
Proper manner. Sentences should be written down in a proper manner. Now number 2. Number 2 is, just note down, the central idea of the paragraph should be in the
body.
The central idea of the paragraph should be in the body of the paragraph.
Ma'am, please again say.
The central idea of the paragraph should be in the body of the paragraph. Note it down.
Ma'am, wait.
The central idea of the paragraph should be written in the body of the paragraph.
Ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, we are writing how to write
a proper paragraph. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
The central idea of the paragraph should be written in the body of the paragraph. Written down?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
grammar copy, in your grammar copy, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now the next, third point to remember.
Ma'am, what is the first point?
The first point is that the sentences should be arranged properly.
Yes, ma'am.
The sentences should be arranged properly. Sentences should be arranged in proper sequence. Okay.
But this is third point. Ma'am, second one.
Now number 2, what I tell you all, the central idea.
We have to do in
Central idea
copy.
should be written within the body of the
Ma'am, your voice
paragraph.
is cracking.
Because everybody is not getting himself mute. That's why my voice is cracking. If every one
Ma'am,
of you
your
mute
voice is
yourself,
so low.
then my voice will not crack. Now the third point. The third point to be remembered. What is that? All the sentences should be well organized. All the sentences should be well organized. Because
And number 4.
if you do not write well organized sentences, paragraph will not look very nice. All the sentences should be well organized.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the number 3 point?
This is number 3. I have said 3 points. Followed everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Ishan was there in my class. Where is
Yes,
Ishan?
ma'am, I'm here.
Hi, Ishan, you just tell me that all the 3 points together. What did I tell you?
Okay, ma'am. Sentences must be written in a proper manner.
Or proper
Yeah,
sequence. Okay? Or proper sequence. Add it up there.
Ma'am, wait a minute, okay?
Okay. Or proper sequence.
Ma'am, can you spell sequence?
SEQUENCE.
Thank you, ma'am.
The rest of you have done?
Ma'am,
Done?
can I tell the point 2?
Yes. Point number 2, Pinky Chetri. Come on, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Rest of you all mute yourself, please. Pinky Chetri, come on, tell me. Point number 2.
The central idea of paragraph should be written in the body of the paragraph.
Very good. So, what we want to write about, that should be in the body of the paragraph. Okay? Very good. Thank you. Now the next, let me call up Sanjeev Mukhia. Sanjeev Mukhia is there in my class? Lalit Kumar Pradhan.
Ma'am, I am Ishan.
Oh yes, Ishan. Very good. Probal Kanti Paul. Probal Kanti Paul.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait. Probal Kanti Paul. Ranjit Kumar.
Ma'am, I can ask one question.
Wait.
Yes,
Ranjit
ma'am.
Kumar, yes. Come
Ma'am.
on. I just pin you up. Switch on your video, please. Yes, come on. You are going to tell me the third point which I said. The third point. Did you write down?
No, ma'am.
Okay, write down now. I am telling you. Sentences should all be well organized. Right. Sentences should all
Excuse me,
be
ma'am.
well organized. Yes, tell me, Sanjeev. I was just calling you. You were not responding to my voice. Sanjeev Mukhia, please switch on your camera.
Ma'am,
Yes, say.
ma'am, I can ask one question.
Of course, say.
Ma'am, Ma'am, that you are screen sharing that we have to write.
Yes, later on. First, you write down what I am telling you. After that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What's your name? Sanjeev Mukhia?
Ma'am, my name is Sanjeev Khan.
Acha. Okay, okay. Sanjeev Mukhia. Okay, now all the 3 points are clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going up for our paragraph today. What is
Ma'am,
our
point number 4.
paragraph about? The scene at sunset. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please wait.
Ma'am, you will send the point number 1, 2, and 3 in the WhatsApp.
Of course, I can send you if you want.
Ma'am,
Okay,
you can
now Rishabh Raj.
send it.
Rishabh
Ma'am, you can
Raj.
send it. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I just pin you up. Please switch on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the first paragraph, the paragraph which I have there, the scene at sunset. Start reading the first 4 lines of the paragraph.
Ma'am. Ma'am, the sunset is off at sunset. Nature has its own nature objects and nature
Natural objects. It's not nature objects. Just see natural objects. Okay.
have a beauty of their own. Their beauty is once calculate.
Immaculate.
Okay. It fills the heart of a person wish blink.
With bliss means happiness. Nature fills the heart of a man with happiness.
Okay, ma'am. It inspires him with a new life and imagination.
Imagination. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So all the four lines are clear to you all. Now the next part. Somebody else?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. Who's that?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one question.
Say.
Ma'am,
Okay, Ishan Gaming. Ishan, you're going to read for me. Yes, say Lalit. Ishan, this Ishan, Lalit Kumar Ishan.
yes.
What do you want to say me?
Ma'am, there are no introduction part or body part.
Yes, here in this paragraph, we do not have any introduction part. Why do you feel so?
I don't know.
The thing is that introduction and conclusion is left for you to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what will be my introduction and what will be my conclusion? According to this paragraph, this is to be done by you all. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Ishan Gaming. Somebody there? Come on, read the next line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
In sunrise and
Sunset.
sunset, in fact, two natural scenes that occur daily. Occur, sorry.
Nah, it's occur. Occur, not occurred. Occur. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then,
Sunset is a really charming sight to look at. The golden rays of the setting sun glimmer like golden threads. These rays, if viewed, present an even more bewitching sight. Not only this, the gradual falling of darkness and the flying of birds to their nests is a scene to watch.
Thank you. So what do we
Ma'am, now
find
I can
out
say.
here? Okay, thank you. Please wait. So what do we find out here? Early in the morning, the sunrise, when we find the birds and all are flying away from their nests in
Yes, ma'am.
search of food and all, and the sun rising up. It's a wonderful scene. Okay. And in the evening also, when we find the rays falling down, the sunset, and the what to say, and the birds, they all flying back to their homes. This is also a very wonderful scene for us. So nature has
Actually,
given
ma'am,
us. Yes,
sunrise is a new journey of a day.
very good. And sunset is
The end of the day.
end of the day when we come to a rest. Okay.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
new
Now I
a new
can say.
part of our day starts from sunset, when we are at rest and we are to be with our family. Okay.
Ma'am, now I can read.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, who's that? Oh, Sanjeev Mukhia,
Ma'am,
you
can I
want to
read?
read?
Ma'am,
Please
Ishan.
wait.
Ma'am,
Ishan, please wait. Sanjeev Mukhia, where is he?
yes, ma'am.
Where is he? I cannot find you out. Please wait.
Ma'am,
Okay, please read.
ma'am, from the lesson.
The next part. You are following your class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Read the next part.
The lesson hurt of the sun and the impending colonists of the shrine. Ma'am, what is that?
Acha,
STARLY.
let me tell you, this is the lessening heat of the sun. Lessening means going on, becoming less in the evening. The lessening heat of the sun and the impending coolness of the starry night. Impending means what is pending is coming up. Okay. Coolness of the starry night filled with stars. Okay.
Make one feel comfortable.
Comfortable.
The golden setting sun slowly moving behind the horizon seems
Horizons.
to be peeping at us for behind a
Curtain. Should be peeping at us from behind the curtain. So, what is it? The golden setting sun slowly moving behind the horizon seems to be peeping at us from behind the curtain. Why? Because the sun is telling us that wait, tomorrow again I'll come up. Get ready with your work. Tomorrow again I'll come up and y'all can go for your new part of your day. Every day is something to learn. Okay. So the sun is telling us, peeping and telling us that tomorrow again I'll come up and you all can go for your new learning episode. Okay.
Then I can say.
And sun is like a guest
Now
of
wait,
ours.
Sanjeev, you have read just now. Please wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Somebody who
Okay,
has
ma'am.
not read.
Ma'am,
Let me just find
Ma'am,
out.
I have not read. Ma'am, I have not read.
Yes, Dipesh
I have not read,
Volgs.
Ishan.
Dipesh Volgs, I haven't heard you reading any day. Come on, please come up. You are with a picture of somebody else. Whose picture is this in your mail?
Ma'am, gaming.
What is that? Whose picture is that? Huh?
Ma'am, DJ Alok.
DJ Alok. Who's that?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay,
Ma'am,
come
a
on.
musician.
You're going to remove that and you're going to add up your picture there. Okay? It's not gaming
yes,
should
ma'am.
not be brought to the class. You know, by you the others will also get affected. We should not play games. Okay? Understood? What's your name? You tell me.
Ma'am, my name is Dipesh Kumar.
Dipesh. Okay, you will not come to the class with all these gaming things here. Okay? Understood?
Yes,
The-
ma'am, I will also remove this.
Yes, because you know, the beauty of the class should be maintained. You are attending your class from
Ma'am,
home.
like the nature. Ma'am,
No,
like
you
the
are attending
beauty of
your
the
class
nature.
from home, but actually you are at school. You are wearing your school dress, you are sitting in your classroom with your teacher. That means that decorum should be maintained. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Come on, now read for me. Tomorrow you will positively attend my class and with a different name, your own name or your parents' name. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I have my own.
You will attend your class with that Gmail. Okay? Come on, come on, read. Everyone tried, tired of.
Everyone tried of the day. Work appeared to be coming back with a feeling of relief as
Relief.
the sun at sunest is what observation
And this?
and is enjoyable.
Very good. So everyone tired of the day's work appears to be coming back home like the birds. Everyone, every human being also tired of the day's work, they return back home. Your parents also return back home in the evening and with a feeling of relief that no, now I am back home, I am safe. Thus, the scene at sunset is worth observing and is enjoyable to all of us. So, it's very enjoyable to all of us. Okay. Now, here what we are going to do is we are going to add an introduction and a conclusion. It can be your own introduction and your conclusion. Okay, boys? So, here's only 5 minutes left in your class.
And what is the meaning of conclusion?
Conclusion means the ending lines, what you come up to
The
reading
moral
the
of the story.
passage. Okay?
The moral of the story.
It's not the story, the paragraph.
Well,
What
like
is
that.
what is the moral you come up with at the end? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so 5 minutes left. Start
ma'am.
writing. The one who can write fast can complete within this time only. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to write this paragraph.
Yes, this paragraph with the introduction and the conclusion. Okay?
Ma'am, I've already started writing